After a long day of rural riding, we stopped at the overlook 2 miles outside of town. We took some footage of Naturita Creek and the trike. I noticed the clouds gathering, so I sent the drone back to the takeoff/landing area, and we packed up and headed home. Thank you for watching. Thanks again for riding and flying with us today. Sherry and I enjoy exploring the area and providing images and pictures from an area that is unique and off the beaten path. The desert is harsh and brutal, but there is beauty in it. I am just trying to find it for you. Enjoy, and have a great day.